Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I am going to be giving you some Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box spoilers. I'm so pumped, you guys. You have no idea. As you guys know, we love Jeffree Star on this channel. We do lots of spoiler videos for the upcoming mystery boxes and all kinds of other spoiler videos. You already know. Anyways, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is CONNORKRYSTYN. Go ahead and subscribe and join the family. It would mean so much to me. And if you guys love spoiler videos, then give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And let's get into the video. So of course, these are mystery box spoilers, also predictions, assumptions. We've been doing this for a very long time on this channel. We kind of have an idea of what Mr. Jeffree does. So let's go ahead and just do the basics and go over the prices of the boxes. So we have the premium, $60. It has 4 items, 3 are exclusive. Deluxe, $100, contains 8 items, 3 are exclusives. Supreme, $145, contains 12 items, 5 exclusives. Available January 31st, this Friday at 10 a.m. PST, which is 12 o'clock my time. So that is what we need to know for the details on the box. The $60 box has a $105 value. The $100 box has a $199 value. And the $145 box has a $285 value. Like, that's a lot of stuff. So you guys, as you know, he's launching a bunch of other stuff. We have the Sherpas here, which I so want a pink one so bad. Really, really cute Valentine's Day hoodies, which don't necessarily look like Valentine's Day other than the candy hearts, but it has his like iconic little sayings on there. New mirrors and a grinder. We're not into that, or the little side bags. So that's also launching the Valentine's Day collection. But you guys, I want to get into the spoilers and assumptions. So here we go. So yesterday, Jeffree posted on his Instagram and Snapchat that he was going to be doing some Valentine's Day spoilers later on in the day. And he was like, there's no stickers this time, blah, 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 which I liked the stickers, you guys. Well, anyways, I realized he never did a spoiler. I was like waiting. It was like 11 o'clock at night, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to bed. I was waiting and waiting for a spoiler so I could like make a video, but I didn't read between the lines, you guys. I didn't read between the lines, and he actually did drop a spoiler, and we didn't even know it. So I'm going to let this play really quick, and you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna let his little Insta story Snapchat play really quick. You guys listen, and then you guys will know exactly what I'm talking about.
Good morning, everybody. Hello, how are ya? It's Tuesday, which means we are Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. Mystery boxes are here. Hi, Valentines, how are ya? I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of what's inside the boxes, but at the end of the day, it is a mystery for a reason. But there are so many exclusive items, merch, makeup, other things I'm not going to tell you about. And no, bitch, I said it yesterday, I'm going to say it again. There's no stickers in the boxes. Take a hit and breathe, honey. But it's going to be epic. They're fucking sickening. And then a few weeks after that, new collection. Bitch, 2020, we are starting it off with a bang. And I cannot wait. Also, maybe praying to God this Friday or Saturday, new video on my channel. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you guys for being patient. It's been a crazy January, like for real. It's been a fucking crazy January. So deep breath. Is anyone else having a rough month? Maybe 2020 should start February 1st because it's been a little crazy for a lot of us. So if you've had a fucking rough month, you're not alone. And it's normal. It's okay. It's okay to not be fucking happy every day. But you guys, I'm excited because I am filming a new video today and tomorrow, pre-filming a bunch of stuff. And then I'm off to Miami. This weekend is going to be so fun. There's so many cool events happening and a lot of friends in town. So I'm ready, you guys.
Did you see that? Did you see the alien filter? Obviously, there's gotta be an alien palette coming in one of the mystery boxes, if not all of them. I don't know, because of course the Thirsty palette came in the holiday mystery boxes. You guys, the Thirsty palette is discontinued. The alien palette is discontinued. So if he has any back stock of that, he's gotta get rid of it. I want it. I do, because that's the palette that I've been wanting and I was gonna buy, and then I did it, and then I found it was discontinued and it was sold out everywhere and for like $200 on Poshmark used. So FML, right? So I assume that the alien palette is going to come in one of these boxes. And another reason why I think that a palette could come in the box is because the smallest box, the $60 box, is large enough that a palette could fit in there, or a mirror, maybe. I can't really tell like the dimensions like by looking at it on a picture. I feel like a mirror could possibly fit in this box, and a palette, because you have a lipstick, like you know there's going to be a lipstick in the box. If you have a lipstick, a Supreme Frost, a liquid frost, that's 3 items out of 4. That box is way too freaking big for that. Or maybe even a t-shirt or a hoodie could come in the box, because that could also fit. Just know there's going to be some sort of large item coming in that box, because you're not going to have small little items in that box. It's just way too big. And then Jeffree posted another little like, you guys, the mystery boxes are launching on Friday, get ready. So I'm gonna let that video play, and we're gonna talk about the spoilers, you know, reading between the lines. We're gonna talk about the spoilers that happened during this video. Did you see that? Okay, so number 1, you guys, they're wearing a Sherpa hoodie and a regular hoodie, and I'm just assuming, since we got these hoodies in the last one, that possibly we could get a Sherpa or a Valentine's Day hoodie in a box, probably a t-shirt, but I really want a hoodie because it's like cold out. So if he put a Sherpa in here or a hoodie, that'd be phenomenal. And maybe even possibly an exclusive hoodie like this one. The purple was exclusive, even though he launched these on holiday and it was 2 different colors, but we got purple, which I love the purple. And you know, these boxes are just way too big for a bunch of little small items. Like, let's be realistic. There's gonna be clothing items in here, if not in all of them, honestly. But also, I'm like staring at his sunglasses because I'm just like, is he gonna like sneak some glasses in here? This is like a far reach because I can't zoom in and tell if this is like a designer sunglasses or whatever. But we're just gonna skip the sunglass theory.
That's it.
Hey guys, future me, past me, future me. Anyways, I'm adding this in the video right now because I'm editing and I realized more spoilers came out. So I'm going to play the clip here. And also, they talk about Afterpay, and I don't know if I'm hearing this correctly because he says tomorrow you'll notice the first 2 hours Afterpay will not be available, so there would be a smoother checkout. So I don't know if that's literally tomorrow or if he's meaning on launch day for 2 hours Afterpay is not going to be available. So that means that people who want to buy the mystery boxes like that want to use their Afterpay, because you know, we're poor, we don't have all that money to spend, we're not going to be able to do Afterpay. You guys just watch and let me know if you guys think what I'm thinking, that they're saying that Afterpay is not going to be available for the first 2 hours of launch, because if so, that's going to screw a lot of people. It's going to screw me. So just watch and see the spoilers and hear what they have to say.
Okay guys, hello. It's been a crazy long day, but we're like 2 days away from the mystery boxes. Now listen, holiday, we all know it was fucking insane. So we said, what is JSC gonna do this year? And the first launch of the year, oh, we're going big and we're really taking it there. So like I said, every single mystery box, all tiers, will have an exclusive cosmetic item. And I kind of want to show you guys a sneak peek. You ready? Oh, good morning. Yes, one of the boxes will have this shade right here. I cannot show you the sticker on top, but listen, bitch. When you see the color in here, you're gonna fucking gag. And also in one of the boxes, oh, hi! An exclusive Valentine's JSC liquid lip that will never be made again. after this launch. You guys know I'm not playing games. We will never print these again. All 3 boxes have a makeup product, so bitch, don't sleep on it. All right, guys. Hey, I'm here with Mark. You guys know he runs Killer Merch with me and the team. Now, we want to quickly tell you guys about Hi Cherries, the website. We've been working on the performance, and we do have a few updates to give you to make sure you guys have a very seamless checkout and a shipping amazing experience. All right, Mark?
Yeah, I mean, one thing you're going to notice tomorrow is that Afterpay will not be on for the first 2 hours. The reason for that is we need everyone to have a wonderful experience, which is obviously what we want. And we've had a few issues with people having bad confirmations and oversell, and we're not going to be dealing with that this year.
No,
so
ma'am.
We're going to be trying a few things, making sure the site is working better and better every launch, keeping you guys happy, and of course the shipping. It's going to go out fast. We've got a huge new department, and you know, you're going to get your stuff in a very timely manner this time.
Yes, so you will get it way before Valentine's. There will not be a 2-week lead time, and bitch, we're amped up and we're ready for Friday.
Anyways, and then he posted a photo after his little Snapchat situation where the pink box and the white box had a mirror sitting on top. Now, is Jeffree being sneaky, or is he hinting that maybe there's gonna be one of these mirrors or both coming in one of those boxes? So we have to think that could possibly happen too. I think both of the mirrors are actually really, really cute. So if we get them, I would dye. The pink and black one reminds me of Mean Girls like so much. And the chrome one is just freaking cute. Like I would love a mirror. Or if he does like an exclusive like red mirror or something like that, because Valentine's Day would be really freaking cool too. And I'm almost wondering, because he also posted this photo too, where she's got cherries on her face, and I've been seeing him use the cherry filter a lot lately. And since that was like a get ready for spoilers for the, or get ready for the box kind of video, I'm wondering, is anything in here that's going to be an exclusive item going to be cherry related? Maybe it's cherry packaging or something of that nature. I don't know. We're having to read between the lines so we can try and get some sort of predictions up in here, because I'm just far too excited. You have no idea. And of course, every single box is going to have at least one exclusive cosmetic item, he said, so who knows. And I also think that possibly one of these side bags could come in one of the boxes. I feel like it will. I don't know. And there's one more spoiler. My boyfriend's trying to interrupt. There's one more spoiler when he was talking about how we were gonna love the mystery boxes this time and that we were going to gag. The only thing I can think of is when he said that, and the way he said it was like, what if he puts the Extreme Frost Gag Me in the box, which highly, 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 highly doubt he will, but like also, I don't know, it was just a weird little thing. I mean, I know it's a saying that he says, but just the way he says it, or he said it, just kind of was like, is that a hint, Jeffree? But he's probably not going to put an Extreme Frost in the box. But it is the same price as the palette, so you never know. What?
Did you say gag me?
Yeah, it's Lick My Glit, Gag Me, and Sour Ice.
I don't want to know.
Okay, then go away. But that is it for the spoilers. You guys know whenever the boxes start rolling out and I start seeing images online that I will be coming out with spoiler videos of like the real deal, what people got in their boxes. So get ready, get pumped, get excited. Let me know all of your assumptions and what you guys think is going to come into the mystery boxes for Valentine. I'm like stumbling over my words. I'm so sorry. I'm so excited. Let me know in the comments down below your assumptions and predictions of what you think is going to be coming in the Valentine's Day mystery boxes. Like, really, with Jeffree, they just keep getting better and better and better and better, and he's talking about redeeming himself from the holiday like mishap with like the money and like the false advertising and stuff. So I feel like he's gonna go like ham this time. So give me your predictions down below. Let's discuss it. Let's get excited. Let's get hype. Are you buying any of the boxes? Let me know down below, and let's talk about it, because I love talking about Jeffree Star. So anyways, that is it for today's, well, it's tonight's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.